welcome to a harebrained Saturday afternoon DIY decor project.
Oh yeah!
I have this jumbled up memory of seeing somebody in a video on YouTube doing something really clever with crack filler and an old container, and they made such a stunning faux clay pot. I think it was crack filler, I'm not 100% sure. It was some kind of building supplies, and I have some crack filler, so I'm going to assume it was that and try it out. I've got some tins, an assortment here, and I'm going to mix up the crack filler, put it on the tins and see if it works. Wish me luck. This says to mix 4 parts crack filler to 1 part water. I think I am just going to mix it to the consistency I think it should be. Oops, I think that's a little bit liquidy. I'm assuming that one wants kind of like a clay consistency. I'm going to put some gloves on because I hate the feeling of stuff drying in my hands. Okay, so the gloves are a fail. The gloves just kind of stick to it. So I'm going to try my fingers.
Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind.
Easier without the gloves. Still a little bit tricky to spread, and it seems like you definitely need to use quite a lot, especially on these tins.
One chance, you will never regret. 'Cause
I kind of want to be careful on the bottom and the top that you cover the rim and you don't kind of squash the crack filler off of it, because if you see the shiny rim poking through, it might kind of give away the fact that this is a tin can previously of beans or something. Okay, let's have a look at the top. I think it would be best if I tried to kind of fill on the inside, because I was thinking of putting a succulent or something in here, and if you can see that the inside is a tin, that's also going to not look so great. This is harder though. I should have probably done the inside first. The great thing about crack filler is if you put too much somewhere, you can also sort of sand it down.
Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause
Okay, so I have finished the pots. I'm going to let them dry. This one I'm definitely going to do another layer on because you can still see the lines of the can. The other two not so much, so I'll see what they look like when they dry. they are fully dried and they came out so cool. They've got some really nice texture.